Hello and welcome to today's segment of our YouTube video series where we discuss scholarship for international students. If you are interested to apply for a doctoral program in information engineering and computer science and also at the Department of Economics and Finance, then consider applying for this scholarship, as I'm going to show you how to go about the application process. But before the application process, there are some important information you need to be aware of. If this is the first time of coming across our video, do ensure you hit the subscribe button. Also turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos like this where we discuss scholarship for international students in all parts of the world. So let's take a look at the doctoral program in information engineering and computer science. So as you can see on your screen, we have admission for first call is open the 41st academic year for 2025-2026, in which the details we can access it here. I'm going to open this right now. But before I go to the web page, we have the specific requirements that you need to put at the back of your mind in order for you to apply. So this requirement is tailored towards having a master's degree program in an accredited university. So what else do we need to know about this scholarship before I go to the official scholarship call? Your application will be accepted for those who are yet to complete their degree program. You can apply for this PhD program if you are still yet to complete your master degree program in information engineering and computer science. But you must submit all relevant documents, a master degree certificate by October 31st, 2025. The scholarship will cover a gross amount which is annually, and it will amount to 18,345. The scholarship net amount may change depending on the country of residence and on country-specific taxation agreement. Some scholars will be eligible for 50% scholarship increase. This is related to research and studies. If you are participating in any research course, then you will have an additional 50% scholarship increase. So let's move over to the official call. So here is the call for the application with admission requirement. You must have a master's degree in information engineering and computer science. In order to get admitted into the PhD program, applicants must hold an academic degree that gives access to third level education in the country. The deadline for this program is 12th of May 2025. What are the documents that is required? We have scanned copy of applicant ID or your passport, the MSc or MA degree transcript of record and diploma. You have your CV, motivation letter, research proposal, then English language certificate with minimum B2. When filling the online application form, applicants must select one research area only in which they are interested. Within the same research area, they may choose up to maximum of 2 scholarships on reserved topics. So you have a maximum of 1 research area, but within the same research area, you might choose 2 scholarships on a different topics. Applicants may also opt for additional scholarship, which will be available after the publication of this call. So there might be other scholarship in which you can also apply for after you have applied for this scholarship. So we have the open positions. Under computer science, we have deep and structural learning, language, speech and interaction, machine learning and intelligent optimization. So only one scholarship is available here. One scholarship is also available, DISI, Department of Information Engineering and Computer Science. Then this is the reserve topic. Then 8 scholarship on reserve topic. So we have 8 scholarship. That means one scholarship will be given to each of these reserve topic. One scholarship will be given to each of them. Then we have the area B, which is cybersecurity, embedded intelligence and robotics. We have system and networks. We have wireless network sensing and localization. One scholarship will be given, and then we have 6 scholarship on reserve topic. 6 scholarship will be given on this reserve topic. So this goes on. We have the area C under the computer science. So we have data intelligence, software engineering and formal method. So these are the available scholarship, and these are the available scholarship on reserve topics. Then the area D, which is telecommunications, we have the remote and distribution sensing. Under the reserve topics, we have 3 will be given to these reserve topics. 3 also will be given to these reserve topics. So you can access more details about this reserve topic here before you proceed to apply. So how do you apply for this scholarship? So in order for you to apply for this scholarship, you are just to click on this link and it will redirect you to this web page. Then go ahead, scroll down and click on these doctoral programs in information engineering and computer science, the 41st cycle. Click on enter. Then all you need to do is for you to register. So we have, are you under 18? Register as guests. Then foreigners or without Italian document, you use this link. If you have an account, you can continue with this login web page. So we are done with the doctoral program under information engineering and computer science. Now let's go ahead for PhD program in economics and finance. So all you need to do is to enter, but we need to know some details about this program. So I will access here, and we have the call for a doctoral study commencing in November, which is now available. So we have the deadline, which is 21st of May 2025. This PhD program in economics and finance is designed to attract students interested in pursuing innovative and ambitious research topics in economics and finance. So let's click on the official call. Once you click on this link, it will redirect you to the official call. Here is the official document for this call under economics and finance. Let's move ahead to the subject of the call. Under the subject of the call, we have places, which is 9, and these places have a total number of 9 scholarships. 6 will be granted by University of Trento and 3 grants financed by Free University of Bolzano. I hope I get that correct. So the duration is 3 years and the beginning of academic year is 1st of November 2025. So we have the doctorate website, selection website, and other relevant information. You can access this link once you visit this. So I'm going to drop the web page of this I'm going to drop the web page for both doctoral program in information engineering and computer science, and also PhD program in economics and finance. So check the description of this video in order to access these links. The research area for economics and finance, we have the behavioral economics, we have applied economics analysis, we have financial markets, and we have quantitative methods. So here are the admission requirements. You must have a master's degree, or you must have completed a master's degree in relevant field, which is in the field of economics or in the field of economics and finance. So applications are also accepted for candidates who have not completed their academic program, but we submit all relevant documents by 31st of October 2025. The candidate is responsible for providing all supporting documents for evaluation. That means you must upload all relevant documents. Further documentation will be requested if necessary. So here are the research proposals. The 41st cycle's particularly emphasis will be given to research proposal on the following subjects. So these are the subjects that your research proposal will be based on. What else do we need to know? So to apply for this scholarship, you are just going to go back to this place and click on the enter button. So we are redirected to apply for it here, and an application fee of 30 euro will be applicable for them to process your application. Now for documents required, we have the academic degree. We also have the curriculum vitae CV. You need a short research proposal in English. Then you need statement of purpose. These are optional attachments. You can include it if you have, but it is advisable to include it so that you have a better chance of being selected. Or if you have studied in English, there is no need for you to submit your knowledge of English proficiency like the IELTS or TOEFL. So also you can submit your reference letter. Application fee is non-refundable, which is 30 euros, and will be paid during the application process. So in order for you to apply, you can just either visit this link here, or you come to this page and then click on enter. It will redirect you here, and you will start your application based on the circumstance you are into. If you have already have an account, you can log in and continue. If you are a foreigner, you register here. So for Italian applicants, they can use these links to apply. So this is how to apply for University of Trento PhD scholarship in Information Engineering and Computer Science, also in Economics and Finance. Thank you for watching up to the end of this video, and see you in our next one.